Hi guys, it's Tuesday and I have a new kit from scrapbookingstore.com. This is the October kit and I think you're really going to like it. It is basically based around the collection from Simple Stories, Happy Haunting, and a couple of other goodies that match perfectly. So I wanted to share those with you, being that it's October 1st when this gets released. You can go to their website and order your kit, and if they still have some available, please use my affiliate link. It'll be in the description bar down below, and get your hands on some of these goodies. I've said many times that their main kit is extremely reasonable. It's a great value. That is just part of it. I mean, they match things beautifully, and I'm a big fan of Simple Stories. I enjoyed using the vintage kit from last month, and I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this kit as well. And it makes me kind of dig into some of my older stuff. My girls are grown now, and I think the last time one of them dressed up was a couple of years ago. I may have some photos from that, but I do have a new grandchild, and this will be her first Halloween, and we'll have to take lots of pictures. So we'll see. But I'm going to come up with some other ways to use this. This is going to be perfect for fall. This is going to be perfect for florals. There's a lot of floral elements in here, not just Halloween. There are some basic black and whites where you can use it for New Year's. You can use it for Thanksgiving. You can use it for just neutral layouts. So I wanted to share these with you, and I guess I will start with the papers. So get some of my stuff off my desk, and it is nighttime here, so I apologize for it being a little bit dark, but I wanted to get this video shared to you. So this is Simple Stories, Happy Haunting. They do give you the entire collection kit, so it comes with a sticker sheet, and I'll share that towards the end. This is called Beautiful, and it has some flowers that you have to know. I'm going to fussy cut out some of these flowers. Absolutely gorgeous. And I love the pinks and the oranges with the blacks. This is just a very classic fall color scheme. And then look at this. This is absolutely amazing. I love the plaid. You could do a masculine layout. You can do anything to do with a picnic or a fall theme. It's just, or even a New Year's, anything that is neutral. I love this paper. I'm going to use it for sure. Probably the majority of it will be this side. This is Happy Haunting Witching Hour, and just a lovely argyle, and it's an orange on orange with a little bit of black dash through it. So love a good argyle. It would make a great background paper. And then this is a scripty font that says things like monsters and skeletons on October 31st and boo, hallow, ghoul, things like that. So more of the Halloween type of script, but I really love this side, so I assume that I'm going to use this more. Now this is probably my favorite in the collection. This is Happy Haunting Hocus Pocus, and it has some off-white, pink, darker pink, light orange, dark orange, gray, and black. And how fun is that? Is it not? I don't think it's focusing properly. It's probably because it's dark in here. There we go. There's the focus. So, and then the back is this lovely diagonal plaid that has all of those same colors in it. I love this side as well, but it's going to be a toss-up. You know, I don't understand why companies like this put two absolutely gorgeous sides on the same layout, on the same paper, because I want two of these because I like both sides. So it's frustrating. This one is called 4x4 Elements, so I assume this side is these cute little, they're not chevron, are they chevrons? I don't know. I can't even think of the word right now, but it's late and I'm tired, so that makes sense. So it has all of the same colors. I love that they added pink with the orange. And then it's different colors of pink, different colors of orange. This is beautiful, but I suspect the backside is, yes, it is 4x4 Elements. So this is cute, literally dying. That's adorable. And this is the first time I'm looking through this kit, so we're sharing it together. Fright Night, I can see me fussy cutting this out for All Hallows Eve. Chills and Thrills. I came for the booze. That might be Allen worthy. I could see myself fussy cutting out this cat in these houses. And then again, we've got Trick or Treat Yourself. That's adorable and matches that other piece of paper perfectly. And then this could be for a title. But I don't know. I'll probably use both sides, actually. I like them both. This one is another 3x4 Elements, Happy Haunting. This must be the B side. It is a beautiful gray with those same pinks and oranges, but they add some white. And they're too small to fussy cut, but I could see myself punching these out with maybe a circle punch, maybe doing some layering on a background or using it as a background. And then here are the 3x4 cut aparts. How adorable. Oh, look, this says, "Hey, boo." I could see me and Bab. Like, this would be perfect for us. I like the little poison bottles to die for. This is just super, super cute as well. Candy, costumes, pumpkins, parties, goblins. You could cut each one of these out or just leave it as a 3x4 and tuck it in somewhere as an element and it would be beautiful. So that is fun. This one is Happy Haunting Fright Night, and it is a simple wide black stripe with an ombre orange, the lighter orange and then the darker orange. Very, very nostalgic. You could use this on masculine layouts. You could use this on fall, even New Year's. I could see myself using this. Just, it doesn't have to be Halloween related. And then this one is just very nice for if you were doing a nighttime theme. It's got all these little wonky stars on it with a dark orange. This is more Halloween-y to me, so I would say that I'm probably going to use this side more than the other, but still lovely. This one is Happy Hunting Jeeper Creepers, again with this beautiful floral motif. I would like this as a background, and they aren't so small I could not trim them out, but it's going to be tight. Like, I'd have to use the larger ones. Hi guys, my battery died, so I think I know where I left off, and I've got a little bit of noise in the background because my daughter has friends over, so I apologize if you hear some sound in the back, but I did want to make sure that I got this to you in time for October 1st. So this is also part of Happy Hunting by Simple Stories. It is called Jeeper Creepers, and it has a really cool black background with a white leaf. I really like that. And then this is the floral side, which is a smaller version of this one, but kind of opposite. So this has the white background and this has the orange background and a smaller motif. It also has some smaller little flowers. So that is super cute. And I just love Simple Stories. So This is Happy Haunting Utterly Spooky, and it's got a bunch of wonky stars and a black background. Love that. But here is a classic, just a white with a black polka dot, and it is versatile for, I mean, anything. That would work for almost any layout at any time. And then we have Happy Haunting To Die For, and it's kind of an odd shape. I can't decide if it looks like the asteroids on that 1980s game or if it is a Wonder Woman sign that has got some extra crosshatches. It's a very unique design. It's not a houndstooth. It is totally unusual. So I like that as a background. And then this is just a bunch of webs, spider webs in orange on a black background. So I am probably going to use this side. I like that side. This one is unique. I guess it does not come with a sticker sheet. That's unusual. Usually these little collections do. This one is called Going Batty. And I could see myself trimming some of these out in between and making a scalloped type of border with some of these fun little bats. And then this is the back side, just another very nice B side with a orange background and black polka dots. So we'll do that side. And then I guess that's why we got more stickers than we usually do, because the sticker set did not come in that collection. So they compensated us with more goodies. So this is by Heidi Swap, and as you can tell, it is just large rhinestones that are sticky. You could use that for Christmas, for New Year's, for any kind of event, actually, weddings. I'm actually planning a wedding, yay me, so I keep thinking of things that'll work with weddings. Now this is Simple Stories Happy Haunting, so this is what, instead of the sticker sheet, we get the ephemera, and it has 64 bits and pieces, and I like the little word spooky, and the house, there's a bigger house. It's got a little cauldron. I love cauldrons. And some pink pumpkins. That's unusual. Little crescent moon. The word thrills. I think there's some florals mixed in. So that's going to be fun to play with. I'm going to enjoy that. If you want a closer look at this, let me know and I'll pull it all out and have another video for you. This one is called Beautiful Night, and it is by American Crafts, and it is a puffy sticker sheet, and it looks super fun, very Halloween oriented, but I could see if you just wanted to use some of the suckers and candies that are not definitely, like the candy corn kind of stands out as Halloween, but you could use some of this candy for like my kids, who, like, one of them is addicted to chocolate and is always eating candy, or or a child that goes to a candy store. That might be fun. And then it's got the word boo. I like that. Some little stars. That would work for just about anything. I could see me doing layouts with baby Ella with some of these stars, and then some of the little puffy skulls. One of my daughters has a tattoo of a sugar skull, which I'm not the greatest fan of a tattoo, but it is what it is, so that might be something I could put in relation to that. But it's got some cute pumpkins, but I'm just trying to make sense of like other applications besides just Halloween. I think that this sticker set is good for that. And then this is also Heidi Swap. I have some of these in my stash, but I believe I am almost out. So I was excited to get these. And of course they are a neutral, puffy sticker that has numbers, and it's got a couple of little labels like hey there, an adventure, hashtag rad, awesome. So this is gonna be able to be used on any layout at all, including Halloween. So yeah, that is the October kit for scrapbookingstore.com. I do have an affiliate link in the description bar below, and the Facebook group is fun, and on occasion we have live streams and share a layout with you. But if you're interested in the kit, it is a great value. Head on over and grab you some, and I'm going to show you some lovely layouts that I think you'll enjoy and hopefully inspire you to scrapbook and take time to document your memories. So that's it for now. I appreciate you watching, and I will talk to you later. Ta-ta for now. Bye!